What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. So in today's episode, well, I was doing some test 3D printing and I 3D printed this thing. It's from a video game called Valheim, and apparently it's a portal. So I thought, what if I turn this into a real portal? Well, real looking portal. Now you might be wondering, how are you gonna make that look like a real portal? I mean, it's a piece of plastic, right? Well, a long time ago, I made an infinity mirror from that project. Well, I still have some leftover mirror. This is a regular mirror and this is a two-way mirror. You put these together and you leave a gap in between, put some lights in between, and all of a sudden, it looks like it goes on forever and ever and ever. So I can use these leftovers to make this little, I think it's called Valheim, this little Valheim portal look like a real portal. Let's get started. This is DIY how-to, guys, so you can follow along. You can do the same thing. All right, so first things first is to break off all these supports, which are created during the 3D print. So this right here is the exact reason why I don't like taking supports out of 3D prints, because sometimes the supports are stronger than the actual 3D print, and look at that, I just cracked it open. So no big deal. I should be able to fix that with a little bit of hot glue. So now I just gotta take out the rest very carefully. There we go, good as new. And what I gotta do is basically trace the inside, cut out a piece of this mirror, which is regular mirror, and then trace and cut out a piece of the two-way mirror. Time to do some cutting. Guys, check this out. So when I trace this, well, this is the front of the portal. It's got the symbols on it. This is supposed to go in the back, but you see that little indent right there? That groove is on this side because I traced it like that. So now I got to cut a new piece where this little lump right here is on the other side. So let's do it again. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to cut out the front piece. Let's go. Okay, so now I got to peel off this plastic layer on here. Ooh la la. We got to just glue this one right in place. Okay, so here it is. So what I want to do is I started to melt a little hole here that's going up the side because I got these lights and I thought, how cool would it be if this light sticks in there at an angle and comes off the wall and it looked like a mini torch because these are kind of like orange. Let's keep going. Let's peel off this plastic. And if you put your nail on it, if you can see the back, that right there is the side you want to face outward. Just take off this side. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this two-way mirror in right on top. Now it's important to make sure that this is level. You don't want it tilting because then the tunnel will curve. Okay guys, look at that. That is looking super cool. Now it is daylight out, so you're not going to see that far into it, but once we turn the lights off or go into a dark room, this is going to look super cool. And make sure you clean the mirror off, by the way, because any little bit of dirt will make it look super dirty. So I'm going to finish gluing this up, and then we'll try it out in a dark room. Now, I'm going to go into a dark room and set this up, and we'll see what it looks like. So thank you guys for watching the video. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram if you want, at KB_KingBuilds. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. End result coming up.